Yeah. So, good evening, guys. Welcome to Durga Soft online training sessions. And myself, myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. See, this batch is actually, there are two batches in this. So, the title of this batch is Basic Java Package. So, in this batch, let me give the complete information about the course details, then we will see remaining things. So what courses will be covered in this? So first we are going to see core Java. So then we are going to discuss about JDBC like advanced Java. Then servlets, it is also related to the advanced Java. So JSP, after that we are going to finish so UI technologies, so like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, these are things we are going to see. And even we are going to talk about Oracle 19c, and with all these tools we are going to develop one mini project. So this is nothing but the tools which we are going to cover in this total basic Java package course. Okay, the duration of this course is 4 months. So Jan, so Feb, March, April. You can expect the course completion almost at the end of this April, and fees for this particular batch is 12,000, including materials and videos. And very important, timings. So the timings of this batch is not at 9 o'clock. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Normal track in the sense, slowly I'm going to explain the concepts from basic to the next level. Okay. And in these, there are two batches. The people who are interested to attend only core Java, you can select core Java. That is nothing but module 1. Course 1 is nothing but so only core Java. So you can pay and you can register by paying rupees 5,000 for only core Java. And course 2 is nothing but what? This basic Java package. Okay, basic Java package. In this, all these four courses like core Java, advanced Java, UI technologies, and Oracle. These four courses will come. So for this, the fees is nothing but rupees 12,000. So it is up to you, your choice. So if you want to develop the complete full stack, better to go for this basic Java package. If you need only core Java, you can go for this. Okay. So up to 1.5 months or 2 months, only core Java will be there. So parallelly, we are going to discuss this UI technologies as well as Oracle. But once if the completion of core Java over, then only we will discuss about JDBC, servlets, JSP like that. Okay, this is nothing but our course pattern, course details. So if you are having any queries, please let me know. Then I will show you the syllabus. Any questions? So feel free to ask your queries. So already this batch got started. It is an add-on batch. The batch is started last week. It is an add-on batch.
Sir, what is this add-on batch? Matlab, already the 1 week for the past 1 week, something why already might have been covered.
Yes, those things
It-
I will cover for you people.
Okay, that means
So
again it is not a starting new batch.
no, it is a starting batch only. Last Monday we started a new batch, sir. So just to add few more people into that batch, just we plan another temporary batch. We will combine this batch with that. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever
Okay.
topics I covered for them, I'm going to take for you people. And I have given some short break for that batch for 3 days.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
you understood my point, right?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah, right. Any other queries regarding the course details.
Uh, Hello, sir. What's the
Yes,
duration for the course Java?
ma'am.
What's the duration for the course Java?
Around 45 days will be there, ma'am. 45 days. Since it is a normal track, excluding holidays, you can expect 2 months. By the end of Feb, you will get finished with core Java.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, let me start this core Java. Actually, this core Java, we are going to plan totally in 5 modules. Okay. So what is the first module here is, so what is the first module that we are going to cover? Part 1. So here we are going to discuss only about fundamentals. Like if I want to develop any Java program, what basic things are required? Introduction. So introduction to Java programming, how you can able to write, and steps to prepare Java application. See, if I want to prepare any Java application, what steps we need to follow, and what are the softwares required so to run Java application. So if I want to develop a simple Java program also, some basic softwares and some IDEs also required, right? Like how to download and how to install those IDEs. So how to develop a program on that, how to create a project, how you can execute the basic steps and all we are going to cover here. After that, so we will talk about the keywords and identifiers. So at any programming language, whether it may be C or Java or anything, so keywords and identifiers is the common thing. Like some words are there in Java or any other language as a fixed meaning. So those are called as keywords, and we will be having some identifiers also. And identifiers means the words which we are defining, and how to write comments, and some naming conventions which is very very important, and data types, and typecasting, how you can cast, I mean how you can convert so one type to another type. Then we have literals. Some people may use the word called constants. Then operators. After that, input and output statements. Next, and after that, selection statements. Next, iterative statements. So next we have transfer statements. So then we have nested loops. Nested loops in the sense something like inner loops. So after this we are going to see so pattern programming, like how to prepare the patterns. So in these fundamentals also we are going to conduct some kind of quizzes, like on each and every topic. So we will be having a quiz, so you can participate, and it is a interactive based quiz. Like questions will be displayed on my screen, and you have to select answers from your mobile or something like that. And the leaderboard position will be there, negative marking will be there. So who is going to come first? It is a kind of challenging and more tricky questions will be there in this quiz for every topic. And even coding based questions also will be there. Like some programs I'm going to solve, and some programs I will give as assignment for you to practice. And I will use some hacker rank link, so with almost 100 plus programs, just for practice purpose you can practice these things. So this is nothing but a part 1 fundamentals we have. So we will spend maximum time on this. In this time period I'm not going to take any extra sessions, because so learning fundamentals is very very important for this Java, right? That's why maximum time we will spend on these fundamentals. Once if we are clear with fundamentals, remaining things will become very easy. This is nothing but the first part in our module 1. Any queries? Any queries?
So whatever you will type the program, that the program will get us Prakash, or how it is
No,
that
no. What is question, I'm not getting you properly.
Say you are typing the program as part of the each of the topic, right?
Yes.
So that program, how you will provide means you will share that program to us or
Yeah. We are going to share a running notes. You can see here. It is a previous batch running notes. Like
oh,
every
okay,
program, I'm going to type and I will copy paste the outputs also, and I will
okay,
share.
okay.
See here.
Okay.
Everything I'm going to type and I will execute. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, one more thing, like for the Java practice programs, like how these program softwares you will be providing to us?
Yeah. So software is not required, sir. Just once if you install, see these coding based questions, it is a something like problem statement only I'm going to give. You have to type in your mission and you need to send answers to me. So whereas coming to the quiz, it is online based quiz. Like I'm going to share I'm going to display the questions on my screen and you have to attempt that one. Okay. Then last one, hacker rank link. It is a tool, sir. It is a platform, online platform. I will show you how it is going to work. Once if the topics got completed, I will show you how you can execute the programs. Okay.
Okay.
If you want 1 second, I will show you one thing. Yeah, you can see it is a demo link actually. It may not work. 1 second. Yeah, you can see it's a kind of a platform, sir. I'm going to give this link for you people. You have to practice in this. So almost more programs will be there here. You can see like this. Just you need to select any one program and you have to click on solve. You can see, so question will be there as well as constraints and some sample test cases also I'm going to give. You have to type the program and you need to run the code to check whether it is working or not. If it is working, just you need to click on submit button. See, in this, you can expect basic level programs to advanced level programs. So maximum basic level programs will be there, and some moderate programs also will be there. Top level programs around 100, sorry, 10 or 15 like that, it will be there. And very important, sir, the people who are there in final year or pre-final year, for that, this course is going to be helpful. I mean, this coding practice. So these things are going to be helpful. Okay, sir, clear? Sir, clear everyone? Any other questions in these fundamentals?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you provided us a video, recorded video?
Yes. Once if the session got completed, we are going to share the video on the same day night itself. Okay.
Okay.
And these videos will be accessible for you only for 6 months. That's why whenever the session completed, maximum try to revise the video as early as possible. Okay. It will be in your drive for 6 months. Once if time period completed, automatically it is going to be deleted. Sir, any other questions on fundamentals? If you are clear, then we will move to the next one. What about arrays strings? Yeah. Arshit, please wait. Just I discussed only part 1 of our Java. Just only syllabus. And one more thing, let me show you that quiz platform also, so that you can get some clarity. So it is a previous batch video. Just we are going to have a quiz like this. Yeah, like this. A quiz will be there. You can see. So the questions are going to be displayed on my screen. Student has to select the answer, and finally we are going to decide who is going to come first next, like that. So this platform I will introduce how to execute and all. So it will be there only for fundamentals. So for remaining parts, we are going to see different patterns. This is part 1, sir. Okay. Now coming to this Java part 2. In this part 2, main important topic like object oriented programming, that is nothing but Oops, object oriented programming we are going to see. See, in these we have around 50 subtopics are there. 50 subtopics are there. So I don't want to type each and every topic name, like method overloading, method overriding, constructors, so factory methods, okay, instance factory methods, static factory methods, so static block, instance block, like a number of things will be there in this. Okay, I don't want to type each and everything. And in these output based output based questions also we are going to discuss. Like, once if the session got completed, I'm going to show some 5 or 6 questions, you need to judge the answer. Okay, and after this, very very important here, interview questions are very very important, because majority of the companies are going to ask the questions only based on these oops. So that's why I will focus mainly on oops concepts. So the second priority after learning fundamentals, you need to get more priority on these oops concepts. Then part 3, once if it is oops completed, then we are going to see so containers in Java, like how you can able to hold the data. So for that we have some special utilities, like we have arrays are there, and the strings are there, and the collections are there. So what is the purpose of these strings? These are containers, like array can contain some data, so strings can contain some data, and the collections also a group of objects. Like these are the containers, and we are not required to think anything about this. So this is the most easiest part in the Java, but lengthy topics will be there, but all are predefined. We are not required to do anything. So for arrays, predefined support is there. For strings, we have 4 classes are there, like string, string buffer, string builder, string buffer. Then collections, we have array list, linked list, so list, set, map, dictionary, like that we have a number of things are there. So this is nothing but part 3. So this is nothing but part 3 what we have. Okay, and so part 4, so this is nothing but some advanced topics will be there. What are the advanced topics that we have is, let me give one. So the first advanced topic is we are going to talk about regular expressions. Like, so what is mean by regular expression? How you can able to develop regular expression for validations, like that. Next, wrapper classes. Of course, it is outdated, but it is very very important. Okay, these are deprecated, but there is one concept called auto boxing, auto unboxing. This is also very very important. And sorry, I forgot to mention, so for containers, so I'm going to give some 10 10 tests. 10 tests I'm going to give. So every test contain, okay, every test contain, so 50 questions. 50 questions, so with negative marking, just for practice, you need to practice. At the end, I will show you how it is going to work. And I'm not going to take this in live class, I will share the link in the WhatsApp group. So I will give some time, on that time you need to start and you need to end the exam. And on arrays, 2 exams will be there. On strings, so 2 exams will be there. Rest of the exams will be on collections. So it is a kind of a different platform I'm going to introduce. And if you are thorough with this, so I can give guarantee that you can attend any kind of interview with the confident, because everything is a predefined and easiness will be there. So I forgot to mention there. And regular expression, wrapper classes. Next, exception handling, exception handling. Next, multi-threading. Okay, so next and after that, very very important, like lambda expression, these are new features. So functional interface, then stream api. So these things I'm going to cover, these are Java new features. And the last part, so which is nothing but storage areas. Like, sir, I developed one application, it is working fine by using all these concepts I developed, but I want to run this, I want to install in client machine and I want to run this. When client is executing the program, you must preserve the data, right? For that, we have two things are there. One is a file handling. Second one is database handling. For database, I will use both MySQL and Oracle. Both I am going to explain. So, okay, this is nothing but, so Java syllabus what we have total, I divided and part 3. For these topics, I am going to give exams, online exams will be there, and the coding questions will be there only for part 1. Okay, and output based questions will be there for this. And for this containers advanced Java, based on this, we are going to develop a small, okay, a small console based mini project, a small console based mini project we will develop. Like what are the concepts that we are understanding, that we are learning in this core Java. With the help of those concepts, we will develop one project with a live, and some what you can say, some ideas I will give, you can develop by your own. If you are having any queries also, we will have a interaction and we will do that. Okay, so this is nothing but the syllabus what we have for core Java. Any queries? Yes, please confirm guys. Any queries?
No, sir.
Sir, any queries? Please confirm.
Sir,
No
one
response.
query is there. I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you are audible. Please.
Do we have any fast track, sir?
No, sir. No, sir. We don't have any fast track. We don't have any fast track. Maybe you can expect in the month of February fast track batch, that too weekend.
Okay, thank you.
So hi Prakash sir. So
Yeah, hi.
again, means each of the topic you have written in the board, right? So each of the topic you have given a programmatic example, right?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Okay, so that program you will copy paste on the notepad
No,
and
no,
that will
no,
be
no, no, no. I'm going to type each and every program with my own hands and I will execute that program, and then I will copy paste into your running notes and I will share that.
okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. And I too expect the same thing from you people. Don't copy paste my programs into your system and execute, because definitely it will execute. You have to try by your own. At least 3 times you can try. Fourth time you can see and you can type, but don't copy paste. At this stage, it will be very easy. But once if you go to the next level, it will be very difficult. That's why while learning, please learn from the scratch. That is my
Yeah,
sincere request for everyone.
sure.
Sir, one more thing. For this C, basic C is good enough, sir,
Sir,
to work for Java.
as per almost 5 or 6 years back, if you want to learn any programming language, so compulsory you must have an idea about some programming languages, then it will be good. But nowadays that is not at all a matter, sir. The person who don't know anything about the programming language also they can learn. So the only thing is time taking up to certain level, that's all.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just you need to put some extra concentration, that's all. So once if you came to the streamline, everything will be good. Any other queries?
Sir, after this course, we have to do Spring Boot to
Yes, sir,
means.
definitely, sir. You need to go for frameworks if you want to be expert. And one more thing, just very good question you asked. So this course is suitable for the students who don't know anything about Java. Okay, and the students who wants to learn full stack. See, nowadays corporate training institutes and everywhere full stack Java is there. The people are always looking for fast track. So within 3 months I want to finish full stack. It is highly impossible, sir. So with practical things I'm telling, so full stack Java if you want to learn minimum So 8 to 9 months you need to spend. Okay, so already if you have a learned Java or some technologies like Oracle, these things, then it will be very easy for maybe 6 months or 5 months. It is okay. But without any knowledge, learning full stack is very difficult. That's why first you should have a knowledge on basic things like Java, one database connectivity, either it may be MySQL or Oracle or MongoDB or anything. So one UI technology tool, one framework, okay, one programming language. With all these stuff, if you can able to think how projects are working in the background, I'm not asking about the implementation, how it is working realistically. If you have that idea, then learning framework will become very easy. Then you can map all the things and you can develop the projects easily. So there, while learning the frameworks, if any faculty is telling here auto boxing is happening, if you don't know about auto boxing, from that point, next 1 hour class you won't understand. So that's why fundas are very, very important. So the people who don't know anything about Java or any other database, so for them it will be useful. And the people who are in final year or pre-final year or freshers with 1 or 0 or 1 year experience, for them it will be very good, sir. And the people who are changing their domain or the people who wants to shift from non-IT sector to IT sector, so you people have to learn frameworks also, because for freshers company people are going to give some training period on the frameworks how to utilize. So but for experienced candidates, these frameworks they want to give guidance. So compulsory, the people who are putting some experience, they need to learn frameworks also in addition to this. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear, everyone? Right. So next, just I will start one topic. Of course, around 3 to 4 demos will be there. There we will discuss about the syllabus of these UI technologies. Okay, UI technologies. Okay, and Oracle 19C syllabus also I will show you. So then advanced Java. The syllabus I will explain in the next sessions. But complete syllabus I am not going to take here. So now I'm going to start one small, not theory topic. I will start one practical topic so that you can able to understand and you will feel that how Java will be. Okay, is it possible for us to understand or not? Let you can think. So the first topic, only intro part I am going to explain. The topic is nothing but data types. With your knowledge, anyone tell me what is mean by data type? Just at least by seeing the name, okay, or by seeing the words, and you can frame and you can imagine something like that, right? Means of this session is not from 9 o'clock, sir. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Means I'm going to explain each and every concept in this 1 hour duration. So with a clear, neat explanation by taking some time. So in this, there are two courses. You can select only core Java if you need. Fees for that is 5,000. So the people who wants to complete this complete mini project, the complete front end to back end technologies, if you want to learn, except frameworks, you can go with basic Java package, which includes 4 courses. The fees for this is nothing but 12,000. Okay. And one more very, very important conclusion. So yesterday I forgot to mention. So our batch is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Maximum try to be leisure 1 hour before, 1 hour after. That means, so sometimes I may plan this UI technologies from 7 to 8. Okay. And sometimes I may plan Oracle 19C from 7 to 8. Maximum chances are there. That's why, so parallelly, when core Java completed, so before starting this advanced Java, in the middle of core Java or in the ending of core Java, I will announce another batch for UI technology. I mean, batch. So you people are going to join in that. Please maintain this kind of thing, because this is very, very important. At a stretch we are not going to see. So maximum 2 timing slots will be there. Core Java, Advanced Java is going to be finished from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. only. So if possible, I will take this UI and Oracle 19c from 7 to 8. So meanwhile, gap also will be there. There won't be any continuation. So in such cases, I will take 45 minutes for UI. Okay, then 15 to 20 minutes break. After that, our core Java class is going to be started. Like that, plan will be there. Anyway, all these things we will discuss. So in the middle of core Java, till completion of the fundamentals, there won't be any disturbance. There won't be any parallel batches. Okay. So in the demo, I need to give this information. That's why. And coming to yesterday, I explained core Java syllabus, which contains almost parts. In the first part, we are going to see with some quizzes and coding programs and hacker ranking. In the second part, object-oriented programming, where around 50 to 60 subtopics we are going to cover, along with output-based programming questions and also interview questions, and containers like arrays, strings, collecting work, generics, everything come here. So in this hour, we are going to plan test. So every test contains 50 multiple choice questions with a negative marking, just to test knowledge. That's all. So if you're getting top, you're getting 0 marks, we won't do anything. Just it is a kind of revision for you people. So whether you are very good at stack and queue, for stack and queue, we will have 15 queues. One test will be for that. So just you need to read the code and you need to select the prompt. Time will be there. Time duration limit will be there. Even we are going to have a kind of a negative marking. So you will set the correct answer. You put your mind. That's why. Okay. And part 4 advanced topic where regular expressions, section handling, multi, and some Java new features like lambda expressions, functional interface, stream are predefined, sir. Next, storage is will be there, like file handling, database handling. So, including this, we will see a small console-based object also. So, this is nothing but detail about the course what we are going to take. So, if you are having any questions, please let me know. Core is right, sir. Clear, everyone?
Core Java tier, which one did you teach?
Good question. Actually, this is a wrong question, sir. There won't be a separate syllabus for different versions. The syllabus is common, sir. In versions, we are get some new features like we have 23 to 24 versions are there. In every version, some new concepts will add. So beyond that, there won't be any change. But those small minute changes we will ignore because it is not a research area, right? That's why small we are not going to focus. So the main stable versions are there like Java, Java 11, Java 17. So in that, what are the concepts are there that I'm going to cover only. Okay. So you can consider it as Java 8, Java 11, Java. This is before. Got it, sir?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Any other queries regarding this course?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Part 4 is included in core Java.
Yes, it is in core Java. Those whatever I explained till now, core Java only. Okay.
And in advanced Java UI technologies, Oracle 19 and
Yeah.
JDBC.
Yes. That will be there. Just I have given only first part is core Java syllabus. That's all as of now. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And even yesterday we started data types, but before moving to data types, so still there are three more courses are there, like UI technologies, C, and advanced Java. So collections and generics. Arshit Reddy, you can see yesterday you attended, right? Three clear collections. In these collections only, generics will come. Everything will be there in these collections only. Got it? So yeah, good. So now let me give the syllabus for Oracle 19C. So today let me give the syllabus for Oracle 19C. So how this 19C came, what is meant by that C? Okay. So what are the different versions? That story and we see in other classes. So let me give the syllabus here. The syllabus is not having any modules, sir. So because it is a database, very easy. But more queries will be we need to focus. So here first we are going to see fundamentals. In every course fundamentals are very important, right? So fundamentals of database, like database, why you going for this database? So if we don't have any database where we can reserve the data, so what advantages are there? So over five some what benefits are there? Everything we are going to see. Okay. 12K is expensive. You can compare with other institutes, sir. You will get clarity, right? It is worthy, sir. So I think once if the course is finished, you will get fit like that. we have to see the content feel or something like that. If we have 5 demos, maybe 4 demos will be there, right? Later you get the decision. If it is worth it, you can. Okay. So these related things. This is fixed. Sir, it is an offer fees. Then, so we are going to see SQL, and there are some kind of tools are there. You can able to work on the client tools like structure query language. So what are the client tools that we have? We have SQL plus is there, SQL developer is there. Okay, so PLSQL developer, like we have different kinds of things are there. And after that, we are going to see the data types like programming language in database. So while storing the data compulsory, you have to give the type of the data. So then the SQL commands are divided into different like data definition language commands. Then so data language only at the top level I'm giving in detail with multiple examples with assignments we will discuss. And data query language. So EQL commands are there. Then ECL commands, data control language commands are there. All these things we'll discuss. Okay. So next and after that we are going to talk about operate. So perform some basic operations. So like other programming languages, here also operate with there, but there won't be any output because so we will use other tools right to push the data into database and to get the data from database. So we will use some inference. So we won't directly involve with, but if you want to, we can use command prompt and SQL plus tool is there. We will see that. So then we are going to see some kind of constraints also, sir. Okay, so we constraints are there like integrity constraints. So we have primary key, so foreign key, default constraint, check constraint. Okay, so like how you can use these constraints. So best example, email ID. Sir, email ID cannot be duplicated, right? Mobile number cannot be duplicated, right? So in the cases we have one special key. So when you're trying to push duplicate key, immediately it is going to throw error. Like that, we have some conditions. Suppose I'm not giving mark a student, by default it will 0. So how it is going to take in the schema, you need to do that part and all going to discuss. Next and after that, genes, how you can able to combine the tables. Like in table my data is available in two different tables, so how you can able to get combined data? Yes, you can, because everything would be available in a single table. So compulsory data will be available in different tables. So from that we have to get best example. So the total India. So you can use Aadhaar number to integrate with any table, any database. For example, I want to verify bank. So if a person Aadhaar and figure is there, you fetch all the bank details. So your Aadhaar database is connected to bank database. So like that, in everywhere we can. That means I am trying to combine the tables. Or we have views are there. Okay, and after we have views are there, something like memory tools and indexes to make efficient search operation. So we have indexes are there. Okay, and we have some clusters are there. So in all these things maybe some people don't, so everything I will explain. Then sequences, like how to create sequences. So we are going to cover one mini project also. In that compulsory I'm going to use sequences. So next after that subqueries, like if you are making any query with another query, then it is called as what? Subquery. So how you can able to use subqueries? Okay, so how you can interact with the subqueries, like how to use what rules and regulations are there, everything we are going to see. Okay, next partitions. So partitions means what? So how you can able to use these partitions, what are the different types of partitions are there. Then SQL functions, then PLSQL, very important. How to do the programming with the PLSQL? What kind of programmings you can to do? Okay, so subprogramming. Subprograms means what? So in that we are going to discuss about stored procedures. Stored procedures means what? Okay, next control statements like if condition, loops. So control statements we are going to discuss here. And cursors, what is mean by cursor? How you can able to use that cursor? Okay, even exception hand is providing support in Oracle. So how to deal with that? Then records, how you can deal with the records. Then functions, how to create your own functions. So even in this also we have some basic collections are there. Then next and after that triggers. Okay, so at the pages. So these are nothing but the topics which we are going over on this 19C. Of course, as I didn't divide it into parts. Okay, I didn't divide it into modules. Just we will see on the flow. This is nothing but Oracle 19C syllabus what we have. If you are having any queries on this syllabus, please let me know. Clear?
So, yeah, I have you have taken. So all the syllabus in the core Java which you have taken in the other batch, it will be covered here.
Not getting your question.
Like you have a set package of core Java stack, right? Some days back.
Yes.
So the same thing is covered here because I missed the core Java now. So the syllabus will be covered here.
Yes, same syllabus only, ma'am.
Okay. So in case first we'll take core Java. In case if we need, can we add this Oracle after taking core
Ma'am,
Java?
it depends, ma'am. Suppose if
Okay.
time permits, if strength is good enough, then we won't give any other batches. Directly we will
Okay.
start. So if strength is very less, then only we will plan another add-on batch for this.
No, not add-on. See,
No,
till core Java.
I understood. So you
Yeah.
are asking first you will register for core Java, later you will join for Oracle 19. See, that is your
Yeah.
question. So actually here it is 4 courses are there, right, ma'am? So we are going to deviate only 2 courses at very beginning. So the people who
Okay.
registered for core Java, smoothly the class will be there for 8 to 9 for around 45 days. Once if it is completed, this batch is completed, then people who register for all the courses continues.
Okay.
Maybe only for one course, another batch we will merge into this. That is what UI technologies.
Okay.
Understood, ma'am. For this Oracle 19C and advanced Java, there won't be any new batch. It is continuing from the basic.
No,
package.
that's what, like after core Java, we can continue by paying remaining fees in case if we need.
No, that is not what I'm telling.
Yeah.
That facility
Okay,
will be there only for UI with some less
right.
fees.
Okay.
That's all.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah. Sir, any queries? Can I continue?
Sir, next time we 9 p.m. rest of the
Yes, for rest of the phones, 9 p.m. is fixed. So that's why I told at the very beginning. So you can please make availability from 7 to 8 also for around some 30 days. So why? Because these UI technologies are there, right? I'm going to plan these UI technologies from 7 to 8. That will be giving the data also in February will be there.
Okay.
So once if the core is 50% completed, then I will add a new batch for UI technology from 7 to 8 that you people are going to join. Only for UI. Remaining 3 courses will be in duration only. It is fixed. And it's only on weekdays. It is only on weekdays. Maximum there won't be any weekend sessions. But if any topic demands some more exercises, some easiness and some functions, so predefined tools, if I want to demonstrate, so then I will plan. And even sometimes I'm going to take doubts clarification sessions on weekends. Okay, like that, some extra special activities will be there. Sir, clear?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. I'm having one question. So here the topics are kinds like use of let's GSP. So if we look to the current time projects using JDBC, JSP and servers, right? Much projects are using
That's what, sir. Correct.
so
I am.
one
Yeah,
second. So if we see, so majorly the projects are using the Spring Boot with microservices and with full Java. So will you only touch these topics from external are going to do it in the depth explanation on these topics?
Right. Sir, actually this question yesterday itself I answered. Actually, it is a basic Java package, sir. Because see, if I am explaining directly framework, any framework, so the students, some people can understand those who are having some knowledge in the programming. Other people they can't. That's why. So you know very well these are basics only. So to develop a small project, what basic things are required? First, we are going to cover. Once if you have idea about all these things, then you can go for next level. So directly we can't go for that, right? I'm keeping in that mind and we will announce this batch. So I told yesterday itself, learning is the next step is nothing but you have to go for frameworks. Then only it is called as full stack. That's why we kept the batch called basic Java package. In that frameworks we are not going to touch. Got it, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. But so maybe you can expect in the month of April or no, not April, May or June, like that. I'm going to take full stack Java. So there some separate framework, separately there with less fees. Okay.
All right. So, basically, if I want to cover only the core Java part, so I can,
Yes,
I
you
can
can
pay for only for core Java, right?
yes, only core Java
So,
and you can
so sir, normally this core Java course will be how many months?
sir, 1.5 months, sir. Exactly 45 classes.
Okay. Interesting. So that's the last question. So, that will also include that Java 8 to 11 new
Yes,
features as
yes,
well,
yes,
right?
sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Like Lambda expressions and all,
Yes,
right?
sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, right, sir.
And how
Right.
about the what you write the notes? How will be getting that?
Ma'am, I'm going to share a running notes, ma'am. Actually, one second, I will show you. See, I'm going to give drive access for everyone. You can
Oh,
see
okay.
this is nothing but our drive access. Already this batch got started. This is the add-on batch. So you can see just I am going to give running notes and related materials, everything here itself. Okay, just you can download and you can practice. Every day I'm going
Okay.
to update this.
So, sir, this batch started today only.
Yes, sir. This is an batch. So I have to say, all 1 week before this new batch at 8 p.m. got started, and only some around less strength is that batch. So that's why just to pick up that batch, we have planned another add-on batch. This is the add-on batch. This week completely 9 to 10 class will be there. From Monday onwards, it will be 8. I'm going to merge with that. The topics whatever I covered for that batch, I'm going. Okay. It is a kind of push-ups. That's all. Because 4 months course, right? That's why just a kind of management technique. Yes, sir. Right.
Yes, sir.
Sir, okay about this Oracle 19C. So what about the syllabus for UI technologies and advanced Java? We will see that syllabus in the tomorrow and day after tomorrow demo sessions. So that's all about syllabus. And coming to core Java, I already started yesterday one topic. Again, I'm not going to repeat this topic. I told already. So please concentrate. I will revise for 5 minutes and I will continue. So yesterday we started one programmatic concept which is very, very important called data types. So what is mean by data type? Data type represents the type of the data that you are using in a program. So kind of data you are using in the program is always called as what? Data type. Example also given. Like if you take weight is equal to 82. So 82 is what type of data? 75.56 is percentage of floating. What type of data it is floating? So I have taken Kalyan. So it is nothing but what type of data string like that. So here int, float, string are nothing but data types. Data type represents what type of data that we are using in our program. And even using one case study also. Like what is a case study? Employee management system like EMS. So we analyzed so many data types like employee okay, employee ID, what type of data it is, always in the name, what type of data string, because a group of characters, right? Email ID, so salary, decimal values, like a points. It is what gender is a character, male or female. So married, so boolean type, yes or no. Mobile number, some people may feel it is integer, but please make sure we only make operation with mobile number. It is a string type of data only. Address type of data, definition string type of data. Like if you give an so we are going to decide in advance what type of data we are going to store. Okay, so first note here is note number one. In Java, so we have both primitives. We have both the primitives and objects. Remember, there are two terms are there. What is the first term? Primitive. So what is mean second one? Object. We have both the primitives are there, objects are there. Sir, what is mean by primitive? What is mean by object? Let me have a simple explanation on this. For example, listen carefully. See, I have, yeah, for your easy understanding purpose, I am taking, sir. See, consider there is well chocolate is there. Sir, raw chocolate. Raw chocolate means it is not covered with anything, just a chocolate is there. So happily we get this and we can eat. Sir, same chocolate is there with me. Okay, same chocolate is there, another copy is there. But that chocolate is beautifully wrapped with some cover, sir. So wrapped with some cover. Now, sir, this is nothing but in my terminology, we can call it as primitive. Sir, this one we can call it as object. Sir, what is the difference? Primitive means you can take and you can eat. Object means you can open this wrapper and you can eat. Primitives you can't send across the network. Sir, I want to transfer this charge for 1 kilometer. Is it possible? No. Sir, I want to transfer this particular object for 1 kilometer happily. So that is nothing but the main difference. So objects are having the capability to move across the network. We can store that in any database. We can retrieve. It is compatibility will be there. Like, sir, what about primitive? It won't provide that much feature. At a very basic level, just what is mean by primitive. So what is mean by object? I hope you got clarity. In Java, we have both, but highest priority should be given for what? The highest priority will be given for objects only. Don't worry, we will see all these things. In Java, how many types of data types are there? Primitives are there, objects are there. Some people are going to write primitives and non-primitives. Sir, non-primitive is nothing but what? Objects only. Just to note. Is it clear for everyone? Sir,
Yeah,
everyone
yeah.
with this first note, please
Yes.
come.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Please have a interaction, sir. So second point. Right.
So,
What is the
sir,
second point?
so sir, throughout the sessions, I mean, going forward, so we can unmute and we can ask the questions to you, right? Because
Yes, you
because
can.
in the because I have attended the usually from the 3 months classes, so there I only can type, I can't speak. So that's what
No,
I
sir.
asked.
You can
Okay,
unmute at any point of time. So I
okay,
won't
thank you,
I
sir.
won't hesitate. You can unmute at any point of time. You can interrupt me. You can ask queries.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right. Second note here is very, very important, sir. So you told in Java we have primitives are there, objects are there. Today I developed one application by using primitive. Sir, my client demanded object. Then it required to write the entire code by changing the primitive to object. No, not required. Why? Because since these are two different activities, at any point of time in Java, we can convert. Okay, we can convert. So primitives into objects, primitives into objects, and object to primitives, vice versa. Both are possible. So if you are converting primitives into objects, there is a technical name is there called as outboxing. It is called as ED. So you can also convert sometimes objects into primitives automatically. So this concept is called as, sir, auto unboxing. AUP. Like that, there is one concept there. The wrapper classes I am going to discuss over this. We can convert. Depends on the scenario. We convert. So why? Because, sir, I am going to purchase a new container. I am going to purchase a new container. In this container, like boxes will be there like this. So like this, boxes will be there. Now my question is, sir, I want to store, I want to store this preview into object. No, it is not possible. I want to store object. Yes, it is possible. Sir, if it is not possible, what do you do? Sir, no problem. You can convert this primitive into object form and you can store. Sir, do you know this process is called as auto boxing? We have this facility because of this small concept, so we are giving big advantage. So are you clear with the second note? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Last note, I think you have to answer for this. Tell me, assume that this is nothing but the overall application which I am going to develop. Tell me in this which data you are seeing most frequently or most commonly?
String.
String. So that is a third note. What is a third note is the most common. Okay, the most commonly used data in Java, in Java programming is nothing but what? String. Sir, please try to remember this line. Till end, I will stick on to this line because without string, Only one Java class is also not possible. In every Java class, without using a word called a string, I'm not going to conclude the class. That much important and that much easy also. So we do all those things. So these are nothing but three important notes related to data types. If you are clear with this, then I will go for the next level. Clear? Right. So first thing, in the object-oriented programming, we will talk about objects, but now I'm talking about primitives. So primitives are what is another name? Fundamental data types. So let me talk about primitives or fundamental types. Sir, these are basic data types. These are basic data types in Java. So how many primitives are there? Four types are there. First one, integers. Integers. All the numbers in the number theory from minus infinite plus infinite. All numbers from minus infinite will come under this integer category. Sir, what about second one, real values? Real values in the sense, so the data which is in the form of x by y is called as real values. Sir means what? For example, consider I have number 5 and I have a number 2. These two are what type of data? Integers. Okay. But whenever you are taking 5 by 2, 5 is integer. What about the result? 0.5. So this 2.5 is what type of data, sir? It is a real values. So the data which is in form of x by y, where x and y is, this type of data is called as what? Real values. So what about the third category? So characters. What is mean by characters? Sir, this is like ASCII code or it is available even Unicode. Later we will talk about that. And fourth one, so we have Boolean type of data is also there to accommodate to span. So these are nothing but primitive types or fundamental types which are existed in Java. Any this theory part? Any doubt up to this? Please confirm. Yeah. Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So next one. So what is mean by ASCII? Anyone can you please tell what is the form of ASCII? So the languages like C, C++, even Java sometimes uses ASCII codes. What is the full form of ASCII?
Something like standard code.
Full form. So again, standard
Interface code.
code for information
Interchange.
So for every character present in the keyboard, we have separate notation will be there. Some numerical values will be there. Okay, so that is nothing but like if you take a school or college or something like that, for every person a unique number will be there, right? Numbers like that. So in keyboard for every character we have a special code will be there. That code is called English alphabets. Okay, special characters, digits like that. But I use the characters like Telugu alphabets, Tamil alphabets. In worldwide, how many alphabets are there? Every I want to develop. Then further we have Unicode means what? Universal code. We have two types of standards are there in Java. So based on the scenario we will use, we are going to write always console based, right? Maximum we will use I1, but I will show you how to work with Unicode characters. Now, sir, one question for you people. I have A is equal to 123 is there. So I have B is equal to a big number is there. Can you please confirm both are integers? Am I right, sir?
No. Second would be
Both
the
both both A and B are integers. Correct?
so second would be the integer.
Yeah, of course it is also integer.
Yeah.
So because you can see minus infinity to plus infinity, everything will comes under what? Integer only. So what is the answer for this question? Yes. Now second question. So which variable in the sense ERB, which variable ERB? Okay. So takes more space. Tell me which is going to take more space of these two? ERB.
B.
B. Why? Because a big data is there, right? So it is very difficult to hold. So we need more memory, more space. So which variable, A or B, takes less time for accessing? Immediately it is going to respond. Which variables are A or B?
A.
A. A, because
It
content is less, right?
occupy less space.
Yes. So which variable takes more time to access? B. Correct. So in these four questions, you can see we are differentiating, but both are integers. So that's why what Java people decided is, so they have divided what kind of value you are based on the scenario. These integers are again divided into four types. Like we have byte, we have short, we have int, we have long. How many types are there? Four types. Similarly, these real values also divided into how many types? Two types. One is the float, another one is. So the next one is nothing but characters. How many types are there? Only one type, CHER. And what is the next one? We have boolean. So there is no division boolean. So integers are divided into how many types? Types. Real values are divided into how many types? Two types. Characters are divided into how many types? Only one type, because there is no division. Limited characters only there. And boolean also only once. That's why there is no. So at the bottom level, total how many data types are there? At the top level, so we have four data types. Okay, at ground level, bottom level, we have 8 data types are there. So you need to remember like anything. Okay, total how many data types are there? 8. For its two floating point values, one character, one boolean. And for these 8 primitives, 8 wrapper classes are there. Sir, what is mean by wrapper classes? Just now I told. This is primitive, this is object form, right? This one is called as a wrapper class. Okay, total how many primitives? 8 primitives. In Java, except these 8 primitives, everything is object. Why can't we convert these 8 primitives also into object form? In that point, there are 8 wrapper classes are there. Okay. Sir, are you up to this theory part, whatever I covered? Please confirm. I request everyone to please open your mouth and speak.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Are you able to understand? Right. So now we are going to see the properties